Hey guys, Dexter here from Dexter's Workshop. So today I finished to assemble the SMPS that I was working on. This is version 4. It's using a total different topology than the ones that I've used. A couple of words of advice. Do not do that in case you're working on a boost converter or something like this. Do not do what I'm doing here, like using a power supply without a current limitation. Okay, never start an SMPS without load, because it will fry. 90% of the cases it will do that. And because I wanted to test it, at least to see if it's working, because it's a prototype, I've stepped over this rule of mine that I always use current limited PSU when I'm starting an SMPS or a different piece of equipment that I've built and it's in prototype stage. So this is what I had home. Those are 3 resistors, 10k each, 5 watts. They are getting quite warm, a touch. So I will start the SMPS. This is the second time actually. I wanted to do a video by starting it for the first time, but I said okay, let's focus on what we have to do. So okay, so this is the second time when it's getting started. I will just plug in here. So this particular moment is charged, and we are going to, and also do not work with one hand only. Okay, so we have 242 volts, point 0.3, 0.2. Well, that really depends also on the load resistors. At this particular moment I'm running 30k as a load, and they're getting pretty hot, although the total dissipated power was about 2.3, 2.5 watts, but they are getting pretty warm. So the voltage, the output voltage, is almost point with the one that was calculated, around 241 volts, because I didn't had a resistor in the feedback loop of exactly 4.2 k, and I didn't want to add a potentiometer there, so I wanted a fixed voltage, and I can live with 241.6 point. Usually only after a while it will stabilize it to a third decimal, so it's not a problem from this point of view. So everything is running quite cold this particular moment. I was afraid that the FET is going to run not so cold. It's going to have a little bit is going to need a little bit of a heatsink, but it's not the case. It's not the case at all, as it's running very cold. It's running at approximately 40% duty cycle, so that it's quite good. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to replace the load with the 20k and go up a bit with the current. But I'm not going to try it with the 10k, because it's quite on the limit. It's on 10k I'm putting out 23 milliamps, and it's a little bit over 5 watts, so I don't have a 10 watt resistor that it's able to withstand the dissipated power. Also there are other tests that I'm going to make to see the ripple, and also to see the noise, but As far as I'm concerned, at this particular moment, I'm very happy with this project, and I'm very happy that basically it worked from the first try. Thank you for watching this. This is Dexter from Dexter's Workshop.